Why does Manufacturing Masters have separate sections for marketing and sales? Basically, it's because manufacturers don't do enough of this stuff and we don't do it well enough. And so what tends to happen is manufacturers are constantly squeezed on price. We need to make it cheaper. We need to make it more efficient than we did last year. Margins start to shrink. And when margins shrink, companies start to suffer, especially with increasing cost of supplies. By taking the time to learn from the best in the world at marketing and sales, we can seek out better markets and develop more profitable partnerships. And we can grow our margins instead of having them shrink. And that's really important. It's also important that this information comes from not only people who are good at marketing and sales, that's nice, but for people who are great at marketing and sales in manufacturing and with manufacturing businesses. Because we're not retail, we're not hospitality, we don't do things the same way as a financial services firm. And so marketing and sales are separate categories because they're separate disciplines that manufacturers need to invest in.